Hello, my friends. There's some tiny warblers here. Warblers are a group of birds that I see in New England. They're migratory. They only here at certain times, in other words. There's also a junco, slate-colored junco, which come down from Canada here for the winter. But these, we can even see them, but I do not know what type they are. There's probably 3 dozen kinds of warblers in there. Many of them are green and yellow, or green and yellow, and black hooded and striped and different things. Yes, there's 2 juncos here too. I can see the way they fly. I just kind of know that. Slate-colored juncos, they have a white chest and belly and slate-colored body. I think they are like a largest sparrow, or a very large type of sparrow. Right, so these warblers are on their way through, trying to grab some seeds or something that they can find here on their way south. They have beautiful songs. They're very fast and small birds. I don't commonly see any of them long enough to identify them. So there's only about 3 or 4 maybe I could try to, but even then I'm sometimes confused. In fact, one of my bird books has a section about a couple of pages called Confusing Fall Warblers. Right, so that just tells you right there that this wildcat is not alone in finding difficulty and finding just exactly what those are. And they're in here while I've been talking, and they went back about 20 feet. They're not afraid of me. They hang around a little bit and flit here and there and twittering and such. Not that twittering, the important kind. And there's a shadow of a wildcat. I hope you subscribe to this channel, my friends. Please do that and stay with me out in the forest. I'll be here a few more weeks at this location, but I'll try to do what I can closer to our home studio, which is south of here, still within Massachusetts. So I'll be taking some hikes out in that place, which is just as beautiful and more of a hayfield old farm, whereas this is a big stony hill. So please subscribe to the Touch Not Trail. Thank you, my friends.